Good day! Welcome to another episode of
Triggered or Inspired.
Alright, so today is the 23rd of August, 2025, and this is the first day of what we all known or have an idea to be with yung Ghost Month. Yan. So, usually narinig naman talaga natin yan, di ba? Yearly, kasi nga it's a yearly thing. So, Ghost Month is yung lagi natin narinig yan sa mga Chinese. Ganyan, di ba? Mostly
Filipino
Chinese.
community.
Filipino-Chinese community.
Yes.
Yan. And medyo na-relate natin siya kaagad sa business, ganyan. And so, yun yung mga pag-uusapan natin today.
So basically, when we say Ghost Month, it is the 7th lunar month of the Chinese calendar. So, and hindi siya naka-fix dun sa usual na alam ng mga Pilipino na buong month lang siya ng August.
Yes. So, ano ba talaga to? Number one muna, ano ba talaga yung Ghost Month na to? What is it all about?
Yes. Basically, pag sinabi natin Ghost Month, it's a Chinese tradition wherein they believe na during the 7th month of the lunar calendar, yung mga spirits sa underworld are roaming around the earth. Kumbaga, nabuksan yung portal ng mga spirito ng mga yumao nating kamag-anak. And during Ghost Month, nakakapag-roam around sila.
Parang similar yan sa ano natin, Todos los Santos.
Or yung sinasabi mong 5 de Mayo.
Yun ba yun? Yung sa mga Mexican and Spanish culture, yung meron silang month or days na sineselebrate yung mga ancestors nila from the, mga sumakabilong buhay na nilang ancestors or mga mahal sa buhay.
And based on the what I have read, yung pinaka-peak ng Ghost Month would be on the 15th day of the lunar month na yon. So, of the 7th lunar month na yon. Which is, in our case, officially today, nag-start yung Ghost Month, August 23, at magtatapos siya sa 21st ng September. And yung pinaka-peak, or yung tinatawag nilang Hungry Ghost festivity or festival, yun yung pinaka-active sila.
Yung hyper yung mga souls.
Yung mga souls. So,
spirits pala, rather.
Sa September 6 yun. And during the Ghost Month, nag-aalay ng mga food offering, mga money, ina-appease natin tong mga spirits para hindi sila ma-offend. So, yun. So, ano naman yun? Ano naman yung kinalaman nung belief na to in terms of renovation?
In connection with.
Yes, since we are your friendly neighborhood contractor. So, may mga beliefs kasi during the Ghost Month at mga hindi pinapayagang gawin. So, number one na dyan is to start a construction.
To start a construction.
Yes.
On the date.
Yes, on the date, within the month
within
of
the
the
month.
Ghost Month.
Starting.
Hindi yan allowed. Pangalawa is yung mga major construction. Lalo na yung mga nagkikreate ng annoying noise or sound, like digging,
hammering,
drilling, saka yung
taking down.
Mag-break ng walls.
Taking down ng
Hindi
wall.
yan ina-allow during the Ghost Month. And another thing would be to buy or sell a property. Hindi din yan sa Chinese, hindi siya ina-advise. And yung moving in to a new house, hindi din siya ina-advise. And lastly, isa pa sa mga hindi nila ginagawa during the Ghost Month is to sign a contract. That's why ang Filipino-Chinese community medyo wala masyadong activities during the Ghost Month. And maraming nagsasabi talagang parang patay muna yung negosyo. So, kaya yung marami ding mga Pilipino na kahit wala naman talaga silang Chinese blood or hindi talaga sila naturally Chinese, na naapektuhan sila at naniniwala na rin sila or sumasabay sila. Kasi totoo naman, yung buong Philippines, mas major naman dito
Run by
the
Chinese business
So kung hindi ka naman
business people.
kung hindi ka mag-align with their belief, ikaw din naman yung
At saka generally, we always hear this na parang, wala namang mawawala kung susunod. Diba? If it doesn't have to be really my faith or my ano yan, yung lahi ko, hindi naman yung nagmamatter. Kasi wala namang mawawala kung susunod ka na lang or gagaya ka sa kanila, diba?
like any other rules or beliefs, there are exceptions.
Yun nga, may exceptions, which is number one, yung pwede daw, yung minor renovation.
Of course, oo,
Minor
mga small
renovation,
repairs.
mga repairs, yan, mga repairs
mga
pwede
hindi
daw
disruptive.
gawin. Yun. Ayan.
And then, another thing na possible pa rin na mag-proceed is yung mga naumpisahan
Yes,
na
when the project had already been started
Prior.
prior to the first day of the ghost month.
prior.
So for example, this year, August 23, 2025 ang start ng ghost month. So kung nag-start na yung work nyo nung ano pa lang, August 1 pa lang, go nyo yan, okay yan.
August 15,
Oo, August 15.
iko-continue nyo na lang. And of course, meron tayong mga tinatawag na super conservative talaga with their beliefs na even these small repairs,
Kinoconsult pa nila with their feng
Feng
shui,
Shui master.
experts.
Yes. Saka yung iba, not at all na lang. Kumbaga,
Oo.
bakit ko pa i-risk during those months?
Mm.
So, kami personally, affected kami sa ganitong belief.
Greatly, massively affected.
Yes, oo. So, medyo sa mga projects right now, ano lang kami, nag-start lang kami ng mga transaction, project development, and yung sa design stage. Pero definitely, parang walang masyadong mag-start or mag-fall ngayong ghost month. So, kayo ba, sa comment section, do you believe in ghost month? Sumasabay ba kayo sa belief na to ng mga Chinese?
And having all the knowledge about this, would you be triggered na parang labanan na, bakit? Di naman ako affected and ano, okay lang yan. Or inspired na, ay talaga ba? In that case, para mas maging prosperous yung business ko, I'll try to parang abide by these rules of the ghost month thing ng mga Chinese.
Oo.
So,
Kasi para daw sa mga spirit.
anong take nyo? Pwede yung ilagay dyan sa comment kung anong take nyo. Okay ba sa inyo yon? Yung ano ba kayo, parang nonchalant ba kayo kung about sa ghost month na to? Or affected ba kayo? Na parang gusto niyo na lang sundin kasi mas ayaw niyong i-attract yung negative vibes, di ba? Parang ganun.
And they believe kasi na kapag na-appease nila yung mga spirits,
They will be blessed
Fortune.
by their,
Yes.
yung may great fortune will be brought about nung mga ancestors nila na
yes,
parang may blessing, ganyan. So,
I think just like any other group of race or people, ang magandang mensahe kasi ng Ghost Month is yung pag-alala siguro sa mga
yes.
yumao,
To
yung
always
mga
remember those who have departed.
who have departed na kung tutuusin, ako technically, kung sino man ako ngayon, ano man ako ngayon, because of my ancestors, di ba? Sila yan sila yung nag-place sa atin Even yung economy ng Pilipinas, economy ng buhay mo, sila yung nag-start niyan. Sila
Yung ekonomiya ng pinakamalit na unit na kinabibilangan mo, yung pamilya mo, that was brought about your ancestors. So,
So, to wrap it up, actually, whether you want to believe this or not, ano pa rin naman siya, nasa sa'yo yan. Depende pa rin yan sa paniniwala mo, kung modern day na ba ngayon.
And in fairness may mga na-encounter naman kami na dead ma sila sa ganyan. As long as parang may mga iba rin na parang kailangan ko tong gawin because of our schedule and our budget and logistic wise mga ganyan. So medyo mas ang tawag mo diyan mas practical yung nila, yung ganap nila. Hindi na nila minamind yan. Kasi feeling nila, if hindi ko naman belief yan, I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be affected about it. So,
And then, it's a good 1 month then, no? So, yung
oo,
delay is
ganon. Kaya
significant.
nga, yeah.
So, there are people that they would not consider this belief. And there are people na would always believe this. So, I think yung pinaka-keyword na lang is respect.
Respect, number one, of course. It should be a
Respect sa belief
universal
ng iba and
language.
respect to your preference as well. So, we can, coexist with that.
Yes.
By having that respect to each other. So, sana itong pag-alala ng Ghost Month for the Filipino-Chinese community, maging prosperous,
Yes,
maging auspicious for everybody kasi yung mga belief nila na pinagbabawal, lahat ng yon para lang maiwasan yung mga hindi maganda. All of it ay para maging prosperous and fortunate yung buhay nila. So, yun lang naman eh. So, what's wrong about that? Diba?
Yes.
Wala namang mali kung you manifest, you desire, kumbaga, yun yung gusto mo. So, that's it for
Yes.
today. Thank you guys. And
you. That's
I hope na we inspire you or kung na-trigger man kayo, pasensya na po. So, ayun.
That's it for your episode of
Triggered or inspired. Thank you.